The basic idea is you've got to start by doing the simplest thing ever, which is upon rising, drink lots of water. As simple as that is, it's amazing how few people actually do that. Drink a liter, 2 liters of water before you have any food, before you have any coffee, before whatever, tea, whatever you start your morning with. Drink just straight water and then begin your day. What we notice first is initially, boom, things flow out. My cousin lost 150 pounds in about an 18-month period on our program, raw, organic, natural foods across the selection that we've been talking about. And he actually moved all that toxicity out of his body through his bowels. 12 bowel movements a day. One day lost 15 pounds in one day. That is really interesting, but really difficult to talk about to the general public, because when we think of weight loss, we think we're going to go work out and convert it into muscle and sweat it off. But actually, in this day and age, with the toxicity that's in the average fat cell of the average person, you don't want to move that stuff out through your skin. You want to get it out through your bowels as quickly as possible.